If you are using AudioKey for the first time, make sure that you have Bluetooth enabled on your phone and that your audio processor is switched on. The pairing screen should have automatically appeared. If not, go to your profile and tap Pair Now. Select your option, then tap Next. AudioKey will automatically pair with your device. Once your audio processor is paired, tap Next. Assign a user to the audio processor. If it is your audio processor, select your own account and tap Next. If the audio processor belongs to your child or someone you look after, then tap Create User, enter their name, and tap Create. Your audio processor should now be paired with AudioKey. The first-generation Sonnet audio processor pairs to AudioKey via AudioLink. Sonnet 2 can be connected directly. If you are pairing via AudioLink, make sure AudioLink is switched on and is paired with both your audio processor and your phone.